Cryptocurrency Masterclass, a free online course to start your crypto journey. What if you could become an early investor in the future of money? What if you could understand Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, wallets, exchanges, and digital assets, all in under a few hours? Welcome to the free Cryptocurrency Masterclass, your no-fluff, beginner-friendly guide to getting started in crypto the smart way. Why you need this course now? Cryptocurrency is not just a trend, it's a financial revolution. With over 13,000 students already enrolled, this free masterclass will show you how crypto works, how to protect your investments, and why now might be the perfect time to start. What you'll learn? In this free course, you'll learn the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and blockchain, how Bitcoin and altcoins actually work, what makes crypto different from traditional fiat money, how to pick the right exchange, how to securely buy, store, and protect your crypto, how to spot early-stage crypto projects, why halving, inflation, and the financial crisis matter, how to create a long-term crypto investment strategy. The problem with traditional money: our current financial system is broken. Central banks keep printing money. Inflation keeps eating away your savings. Global debt is skyrocketing. Cryptocurrencies are emerging as a potential solution, decentralized, transparent, and controlled by no single authority. This course explains why crypto matters and how you can protect yourself in a changing economy. Breaking down Bitcoin and altcoins. You'll start by exploring Bitcoin, the first-generation cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and why it was created. Then you'll move to altcoins, second-gen cryptos like Ethereum that improved on Bitcoin's limitations with smart contracts and faster systems. Understand the evolution of crypto and how new projects are solving real-world problems. How to start investing? This course doesn't just teach you theory, it walks you through the step-by-step process. Choosing the right crypto exchange, creating your account and setting up 2FA security, buying your first Bitcoin or altcoin, storing it safely in a wallet, understanding market trends and investing for the long term. Safety first, protecting your portfolio. In crypto, security is everything. You'll learn how to protect your funds using two-factor authentication, cold wallets and hardware storage, risk management strategies. Your digital assets deserve digital protection. This course shows you how. Why now is the best time to start? We're still early in the crypto adoption curve. That means more upside, more innovation, and more opportunity for you to benefit as an early adopter. The Cryptocurrency Masterclass gives you the confidence and clarity to start your investing journey the right way. About the course and certification. This masterclass is hosted on Allison and brought to you by Dreamsoft Technologies Canada, a global platform with millions of learners and trusted certifications. It's taught by experts and designed for complete beginners with zero crypto experience. Self-paced, free to enroll, certificate available. Over 13,000 students have already taken the leap. Will you be next? Final call. Don't let fear or confusion stop you from learning one of the most powerful financial tools of our time. Click the link in the description to enroll in the Cryptocurrency Masterclass today, completely free. Bonus free introductory guide available. Build your digital future, protect your wealth, and gain financial literacy one lesson at a time. Enroll now. Free Cryptocurrency Masterclass. Link in the description. Start today. Like this video if you're ready to start learning. Drop your questions in the comments. We love to help. Subscribe for more free finance and tech education.